How to sign in Pokemon Go with Google account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can sign in into Pokemon Go with Google account. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do that. So if you want to go ahead and sign in with Pokemon Go with your Google account, first thing is downloading the app. It is available on Google Play Store. If you're on Android, you can just go ahead and download it and open it up onto your screen. And once the page loads up, you need to enter a birth here and then you will be given the space. So in order to sign up, you can go ahead and select the second option, which is new player. And when you do that, it gives you option of creating an account with either your Facebook or your Google. So if you want to sign in with your Google account, you can select the second option, which is create account with Google, and go ahead and give you access to the app. And once that is done, you can just go ahead and select up your Google account from your device. And once you give access, you will be signed in with your Google account. So that is how you sign in with Pokemon Go with your Google account. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.